In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from your savings account to Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. On the home page, you'll see different sections such as your cash balance, savings account, Bitcoin, stocks, and other features. Tap on the Savings section. Here you can see your available balance and the interest rate you're earning on your savings. To move money from your savings to Cash App, tap on Transfer Out. Next, select the amount you want to transfer. You can either tap one of the preset amounts or type in a custom amount using the number pad. For example, let's say we want to transfer $25. After entering the amount, tap Move to Cash Balance. You may need to verify your identity using Face ID or another security method. Once confirmed, the money will move from your savings account to your Cash App cash balance. You can see the updated balance in both your savings and cash balance sections. Now that the money is in your Cash App balance, you can use it in several ways. Spend it using your cash card, send it to someone else, buy Bitcoin or stocks, or even cash it out to your linked bank account. Simply tap Cash Out if you want to transfer it to your bank. And that's how you move money from your Cash App savings account to your Cash App cash balance. It's quick, simple, and gives you flexibility to use your funds however you like. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.